Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Piyush Gupta, your host and friend. Stay tuned for more interesting content. I am requesting you to hit subscribe, like, share my channel and write comment.
Breaking news now because sources are telling India ahead that India has decided to impose reciprocity on the UK nationals arriving in India from the United Kingdom. New regulations will come into effect from October 4th and will be applicable to all UK nationals arriving from the United Kingdom. This is what we're learning at the moment. Sources are telling us that India has, as a matter of fact, hit back at the policies and quarantining policies of the United Kingdom for Indian nationals. India has decided to impose reciprocal measures. The new regulations will come into effect from October 4th and will be applicable to all United Kingdom nationals arriving from the United Kingdom post October 4th. UK nationals arriving in India from the UK will have to undergo mandatory quarantine. This is what the reciprocal policy of India is for the UK nationals. UK nationals arriving in India from the UK will have to undergo mandatory quarantine at home or in the destination address for 10 days after the arrival. This is what sources are telling India Ahead right now. So India finally reciprocates. All arrivals from the United Kingdom will require COVID tests and mandatory 10-day quarantine in the destination at home or either in the destination of arrival. And my colleague Shivang Mathur joins us on the broadcast. Shivang, it seems like India has finally taken a stand on its reciprocal policy for the UK nationals. Let's not forget, Indians had to undergo mandatory quarantine in the destination of arrival in the UK. The same is going to happen for UK nationals who are coming to India now.
Well, yes, now government has made the clear policy for the UK.
Well, Shivang, are you with us?
Yes, I'm with you. I was saying that India has finally decided to impose reciprocity on UK nationals arriving in India from the UK, and new regulations will come into the force from October 4th and will be applicable to all the UK nationals who are arriving from the UK. From October 4th, all UK nationals arriving in India, irrespective of their vaccination status, will have to undertake pre-departure COVID-19 RT-PCR test, and within 72 hours before they travel. RT-PCR test on arrival at airport also, RT-PCR test on day 8 after arrival. And UK nationals arriving in India from the UK will have to undergo to the mandatory quarantine at home or in the destination address for 10 days after the arrival. So government has made this policy and has conveyed the UK government about this policy. Earlier, it was Indians who were going to UK and to some other countries. They were also following the same set of rules for the Indians as well. And now the government has made this policy for the UK nationals, especially, that they are going to deal in the same way, the way they are treating Indians in their country.
Absolutely. All right. Shivang Mathur gets us those details, those inputs. So after a slew of negotiations, couple of rounds of negotiations, it seems like India has hit back at the United Kingdom over their mandatory quarantine policy for Indians and their overlooking of the vaccination certificate of the Indian nationals. India has now finally imposed reciprocal measures, 10-day quarantine for UK nationals at their homes or at their destination address.